Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX7 Classic, stock reference number 4905. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand indicator, radiator grille, left-hand indicator, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, this vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated control, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.